Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off sound in Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. If you are getting irritated with the notification sounds that occur in Candy Crush Soda while playing, then you can always turn it off by going to settings. Settings is a wheel icon. You can see it on the top right corner of the game of your screen. Over here you can see it. Tap on it. Over here you can see the option of settings again. Tap on it. There you can see the option of general and audio. Tap on audio. Here you can see music, sound effect, mono audio. You can turn here. You can see it's turned on and it's ticked. If after tap on music to turn the music off, or you can even adjust the sound volume to minimum if you would like to do so. You can also do that, and tap on this icon to turn off all the sound effect if you don't want any of it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.